What are massage cups? How do they work? Do they even work? And how to use them? Answers to all these questions coming right up. Welcome to Comfy Boost, a one-stop shop to get your weekly dose of wellness, comfort and beauty ideas and challenges to apply in your schedules. So, what are these? These are silicone massage cups. It's pretty popular beauty product and treatment, but actually it's nothing new. It dates back to the ancient Egyptian, Chinese and Middle Eastern cultures where it was used as an alternative medicine. Actually, you may know this treatment with these big glass cups the doctors heated up, placed on the back, left there for a while, and once removed they left these big round marks. So this actually comes from those. Also nowadays it's a popular treatment in the beauty salons as well. It has adapted for the home use. And now it's more available than ever before because all you need for this is massage oil and massage cups that comes in several sizes. How do they work? You squeeze the massage cup and with this movement you create the negative pressure that sucks your skin inwards. And with this negative pressure you lift your muscle fiber and tissue up. Therefore you will help your body fluids like blood and lymph move around faster. You will move also the oxygen around your body faster. Therefore prevent healing and your body should feel and function better. And as you can see, it's really lifting my skin up, so for sure it is doing something. Researchers claim that massage cups can help with muscle pain, to relax them, to release the tension, as well as faster moving fluids can help to reduce the cellulite, improve your skin texture, lighten up some wrinkles, and in general just improve your overall skin health and flexibility. Plus, it is also so pleasant and relaxing, and it can become a bit addictive. At least that's how it is for me. I really enjoy this feeling, and 5 to 10 minute cupping session is now a part of my evening routine, and I'm sure it will stay there for a while. So how do I use them? I will show you my way of using massage cups for my face and my tights. So for the face. First, clean your face from makeup and apply oil generously. Adding oil helps massage cup to glide and you will be able to perform the movement without hurting your skin. For the face, take the smaller size cup, squeeze them and gently apply to your skin. First, feel the intensity and choose the one that's comfortable for you. You can either reduce it or increase the power on how you squeeze the cup. And now, do the movements. The way how you move your massage cup is similar to the way how you apply face cream, for example. Use movement that goes up. Do not pull your skin down as gravity is doing it for us already all day, every day. So follow the contours of your face and glide the cup up slowly. You go from your chin to your ear, from your nose to your ear, and on your forehead you go up and then on sides. Basically you are moving to your lymph nodes. As you can see, I prefer having two same size cups so I can work on both sides of my face at once. Do it for 5 minutes, 5 to 7 days per week. Regarding tights, the process is almost the same. I recommend doing this after the shower so your skin is clean. Add moisturizing body oil generously and test massage cup pressure level. For this body part, I do up and down movements and circles. But do not worry if your cup jumps off your skin. If it happens, squeeze it again and reapply to your skin. As if you feel that the pressure is too much or too little, remove and reapply. As you can see, for the tights I'm using two bigger size cups because I can work on both legs and cover larger territory at once. I'll do this massage for 10 minutes, also 5 to 7 times per week. And I actually enjoy doing this while I'm watching my evening TV show. You may ask if this is painful and if it leaves any bruises. It may look like that, but actually it's not at all. The feeling is really nice and relaxing, and only you are responsible on how much pressure you put on your skin. And regarding the bruises, no, you don't get any. At least I haven't got any on myself yet. And I hope that I won't. To be honest with you, I actually bought these massage caps quite a long time ago, but I did not use them as I always had some excuse. But now I'm all over them, and they are a big part of my evening routine, and I'm truly happy with the results. Plus, I have to mention that as usually you can find all the links in the description below. But back to results. Personally, I did not notice big improvement on the cellulite, but as it's not so critical point for me, that wasn't the main point. But indeed, my skin is more soft and more flexible, and the feeling of these massage cups, they are just amazing. So in summary, I think this is a really good and nice product, but you have to use it regularly. There's no point if you buy it, place it in the shelf and take it out once a week or once a month. You really have to put some effort and make it as a part of your evening routine. And once done, I'm sure you will also be happy about the results. Plus, it can also be used for your belly massage or your back massage, and it gives really nice feeling. Thank you for being here with me, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below, because here we expose the deepest secrets of wellness. See you next week. Bye!